Hey, Sean, guess where we're going today?
Where are we going today?
Guess. You're never gonna guess where we're gonna go today. Well, I'm gonna give you a hint.
A Target. We're going to Target.
Yep, this is the sound effects challenge in Target. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's go.
Cruncha, cruncha, cruncha. Oh yeah. All right, this is gonna be a double, okay?
All right.
The first one is, but the second one is cat scratch fever. Cat scratch fever.
Squish, 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 squish.
That thing's cool. Dun 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 dun.
Taco, cat, goat, cheese, pizza. Taco, cat, goat, cheese, pizza.
Right?
Yep.
That game.
Ready?
Yes.
I've heard good things about this particular game.
You know what? So have I.
I hear Capture Flag is an award-winning.
What award?
My favorite game award.
Yay! Now available at Target.
Yeah.
It's the red copper. Whoop. 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 Whoop.
Pour it. Set it and forget it. Right on.
Glug, 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 glug. I got one question for you.
Okay. All right. Here we go.
Is it in there?
Hey, I got one question for you. Is it in there? All right.
I think it's in there.
Hey, forget about it.
Forget about it.
All right.
Ring, ring.
Ring, ring,
Ring, ring.
ring, ring.
Hello? Hello? No, I don't want an extended car warranty. Action.
They don't open.
See him?
Let's know which one you like better, the sound effect or my quick-witted audio file. See ya.